our Westfield property. This is Jay. Just gonna tell you how we kind of got the deal. He called us, built some good rapport with him, and then I went to go take a look at the property. One of the challenges I felt like I was dealing with him is that he was very direct and he wanted $500,000 and didn't want to budge on it. So I knew there wasn't really too much room for negotiating. So I kind of just had to figure out a way to make things easier for him because he just wanted a process that was 1, 2, 3, come up with a number, see if it works, move forward to closing, and not have to deal with this anymore. Another big part of it was that he has another rental property that he wanted to move to. So I knew he didn't need to live here and time was of the essence, and that's why he didn't really want to throw it on the market because he could have just kept renting it. But he decided if someone can make it easy for him, like what we could do, that he was ready to kind of move forward. All right, you guys want to see some cool finishes that our project manager, AKA me, kind of got us into? Take a look at the bathroom.
Ooh, you did this with your bare hands?
Yeah, I was actually just sanding this stuff down. This is one of the bedrooms. A lot of room for activities in here, whatever you want to do. You keep it empty, or you can put a bed, TV on the wall, futon, something like that.
There it is, futon. Heard it here first.
That's it. Then you got the basement down here, which I guess we could check out after.
Yeah, what's over here?
Over here. Here's another bedroom.
Come on, project manager.
Yeah, another bedroom. We got new windows in here.
Okay.
We got some beautiful, I wanted to say vinyl, but they're probably not, of course. All right. That way is the kitchen. Now you're into your living room.
Okay.
You could set it up however you like. Couch here and here. Do something on the wall right here.
Yep.
And then we got another bedroom with a lot of light. I feel like you could use this as if you don't need the bedroom, you could use this as like a little office.
Yeah,
Whatever you kind of are into. Look at that cool light fixture too. Woo! Let's see if I know my way up.
All right.
So I headed up to the second floor. This is the second unit now. So downstairs was a 3-2. Up here is a 3-2 as well. And you're also gonna see a bonus space upstairs. Which is pretty cool. So it's the living room. Over here we got the kitchen. We got some new appliances in here. Always gotta go with the stove, you know? Oh, this is cool too. Got a little bit of outdoor porch. With the balcony.
Okay.
Beautiful grass outside.
Is that a 3-car garage?
Yeah, I was gonna show you that after. That's a nice 3-car garage that you'd be able to put vehicle in or stuff, whatever you kind of like. Cool. All right, here's another bathroom we got. Beautiful finishes in here.
Okay.
A lot of room. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Got another one of the bedrooms.
Closet door.
Oh, closet door. Whatever. I'm not gonna go in there. And then we got another big bedroom.
Oh, this is okay. Nice size here.
Yeah, you get a lot of natural light in here too, which is cool. Yeah, this unit upstairs was in pretty good shape when we bought it actually. I knew that this one was gonna be easier to turn over because we did put new floors in, we did paint it, but the house was in pretty good shape when we got it. We didn't have to do too much to kind of get it to this condition. And now my favorite part of the house is up upstairs. So this is part of the second unit. Or if you want a bedroom, a living room,
A loft.
and a bathroom.
Oh, there's a bathroom here?
My favorite tile, by the way.
Ooh.
Right here.
Yeah. Nice.
Whoever got this isn't going to need to go down and spend time with whoever they live with. So I feel like you could set it up a few different ways. Put the bed right here.
Yeah.
Little TV on the wall. Little coat rack. Exposed brick. And that's pretty much after the house. Hope you guys enjoyed.